turn that way. Don't make her. He needs her over that way. Go around this way and bring her to the attention over there. Are you doing dishes,
Kieran! Hello! Oh. Kieran! She's washing dishes.
She is.
Turn it off now.
Turn them up.
Hey, give me a big plate.
Kieran! Hello!
Corey, stop.
Said hi.
Hey, it's your turn to be playing games.
Doing dishes?
No, yeah.
Hey. All right. Hey, look over here. Karen, look here. Are you doing dishes?
We had one of those at home. She could pretend to do that all the time, honey.
She's trying to pet night. There it goes.
Listen, I gotta make some changes in the script.
Pictures you brought in here of man, can you make pictures of that?
Yeah.
Write one or two lines in separate sheets of paper. We'll take them all around.
Come y'all take pictures of me, I'm eating.
Oh no. No, no.
Now he's drinking.
Okay. Where?
Put a spoon or something right there so she can get to it, Gloria.
I took the knives out of there.
She can't pull on it.
Here.
There, Karen, show us what you got.
She's gonna bite it. Look at her. She's gonna bite it instead of picking it up in
They
her
put a
hand.
spoon hanging out so she could get it.
The closer Cregan gets to this killer, the closer he is to losing his mind.
She don't want that one, she wants that one.
Gloria. Gloria. Don't forget to take you some of that ham for your lunch tomorrow.
Yeah, well, I'll have to get it after bowl.
Well,
After
all right.
bowl.
As long as you get some of it, I ain't throwing none of that
So
out.
I gotta make something for lunch tomorrow. Be a long day.
Why?
Every Tuesday is. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays are the longest days. Cause we got Scott Shopper, we do that. They gotta be there.
For what?
They got stuff they gotta do Friday, Ralph said.
Karen's having a birthday party at my mom's house Saturday. Postponed it, he said.
Yeah, she's having one here, she can keep one there. There she got a spoon. There, that's a good job.
Goes quick.
That's a good job.
You're on drugs, I think.
What?
On drugs. Time for another one. Not even, hardly.
You know what, Laura? I just can't believe she's a year old. I know time is up.
I think
Well,
so.
Sean's gonna be 4. Don't seem like it. Zach sees them all the time, do you think? Dad, man, I just... No wonder she's tired all the time. She's always... No. No.
No, it's got, no.
Take that away from her. She's off call on that now.
Well, I'm gonna shut it up now. She's done had her fun.
Oh boy, here's
Put
gonna
the
be
paper plate
screaming.
on her.
Let me have the spoon so I can shut it up.
Give
We're
us some.
finished. I have the spoon. We're finished now.
That's what I was gonna say. Year old, almost big Murray.
You know, Zach wears the same size shoes Mary does. You said he wears a 2?
Did something happen?
Yep.
Because Corey wears a 12, and Corey's feet are this much smaller than Mary's. That's it.
It's the thanks I get.
So Zach wears
Oh my God,
You're gonna play with your toys?
Leave without
Well,
telling
one of the
me.
old guys out there in church, when we put that one church out there, he looked at her and
Play with your toys?
we've been going for a while. He looked at her
In your
He's
pants.
complaining about the pay,
They pulled
about
you
the
while you were
hours,
reading it.
you name it.